Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm having a party today, so I'm gonna have just a quick video showing you how I styled up a fun garden party. I had one of these last year and I had kind of like a festival Moroccan themed party last year. I've gone a little bit more girly this year. I DIY'd myself a canopy, I think you'd call it, cabana canopy, from a hula hoop. So I'm going to show you how I did that, how I styled it, just if you have some ideas. It is in Ireland Bank Holiday Sunday, and it's the last bank holiday of summer. The next bank holiday will be October. So it's the last kind of, not party of summer, but it's the last bank holiday, so I'm having a party. Let me know if you try this DIY hoop DIY. I'm going to get straight into it, and I'm going to show you how I made my canopy from a €3 hoop. So for this, you are just going to need a simple hula hoop. I think you guys call these hula hoops in America. And I'm just using some spray paint. I'm spraying my hula hoop copper. I also picked up my hula hoop in Mr. Price. I think I paid €2 for my hula hoop. These you can probably get, probably in the thrift store. I'd say people throw these out all the time. I just done one coat of primer and one coat of copper spray paint. Don't worry, this is going to be outside, so it doesn't have to be perfect. So one coat of each and let it fully dry. I let mine dry overnight. I used shower curtains and just some things I picked up in Home Store and More. They were like these kind of tulle hanging curtains, so I just layered them on. I just simply opened up the hula hoop. There's like a little plastic attachment, they're so easy to open, and I just put on the shower curtain and the other piece of material, layered it up, and then I added some string to the top because I'm gonna hang this from the tree in my garden. I decided that I wanted to hang mine from my tree. My tree is kind of like weepy, it weeps over and there's some strong branches in it. Blondie, she has to get her head in. She was my helper the whole time. Made sure I didn't fall off my little ladder. Obviously, be extra careful when you are hanging things, unlike me, who wasn't supervised only by Blondie, but just be careful when hanging things from the tree and raising things up. Just a little tip, I use some clothes pegs that you use on your washing line to keep my canopy together. You're going to see now I added a air mattress and I added some blankets, and if you find that the shower curtain keeps blowing, just use wooden pegs to keep them in place, and you can peg them to the bed or whichever. A lot of the items, such as like the rugs and the big cushions, I had them from last year. The rug pillows, they're an IKEA hack from last year. I'll make sure to link to the video. And just use things that you already have. So whether it's, some pallets, crates, rugs, cushions, just layer it all up to get the kind of look you want. I was just going for something nice, cozy, relaxed, so we could all just sit around together, have a few drinks, have some food. I added some flowers as well, just because, hey, it's not a garden party if there's no flowers. style of my party. A lot of the DIYs you might have seen in previous video. I have my wheel on the wall, my DIY candles from bean cans, my IKEA cushion ones, which I also used in the Cubby House video for Jack and Lily. So a lot of this stuff is kind of DIY'd in the past kind of like year. I'm obviously speaking from the future because I have just gotten ready for the party. Girls haven't arrived yet. I wanted to sign it off today and not tomorrow because I could be hungover. So I will add in some clips of the party, but I did just want to kind of show you how it was looking. I'm looking fresh now. I may not be looking fresh tomorrow. Before I sign off, I want to just say hello to any newbies who may have popped over from Aer Lingus. From the 1st of August until 30th of September, this September of 31 days, the very last day of September, I have a section on Aer Lingus in-flight entertainment, which is so surreal. So if you are traveling transatlantic, I know I have a huge US audience, so if you are going to be traveling to Ireland with Aer Lingus, go to the TV section and you will see half an hour of my videos. And if you have come over to my channel from seeing them on the airplane, hello. I hope you stick around and like it, and don't forget to subscribe if you are new to my channel. I've had a few people send in screenshots or pictures if they're flying and they see like my videos on the plane, because it is just so surreal, because you just make videos in your house and you don't expect them to kind of end up in like, you know, on an airplane. So crazy. I am going to be flying long haul in September, so I get to have a little look and be like, that's me. So I won't get to see it yet, but you guys, I will share it in a vlog later in the year. So that's it for this week. I am off to party. Hope you enjoyed it. Cheeky thumbs up if you like me out canopy. Let me know if you try it. Tag me on Instagram and I'll catch you all in the next video. Bye everyone.